Yes, I script my videos. In fact, I'm reading off a script right now. Fancy, yeah? If I didn't, all you'd probably hear is mluflar, jargy gloop, snarf, bleep bloop, clop, cleek, blaylock, doobie plum. Or you'd see a bunch of jump cuts for every time I had a thought. So scripts help me get what's in here out there quicker and more effectively. In hindsight, when I block out about 15 to 30 minutes to write what I'm thinking, it gives me exponential returns in its weight in gold in the form of saving time from editing and putting too much thought into the point I'm trying to get across. So how do you do it? The best way I've used to extract ideas for videos were in the shower, taking a break from the computer, and after you get a good starting point of what you're wanting to say in front of the camera, just start writing, and the rest should flow naturally. Scarby bloop block blay blook.